Dear students, hope you are going well by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I'm also going well. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Mahmudullah Hassan, lecturer in English, Ragoi Islami Alif Madrasa, Shahrasti Chatpur. Today, I'm going to describe a graph chart. The question is, the graph shows infant mortality rate from 2005 to 2012. Describe the graph in 150 words. You should highlight and summarize the information given in the graph. And the chart is here. Infant mortality rate, deaths per 1,000 infants. That is in the rate of mortality and death. Mortality or birth is counted against per 1,000. From the chart we see that in 2005 the mortality rate was 62.6, which is very high, and it starts decreasing from the year 2006 except in the year 2009. So we see in 2006 the rate was 60.83, and in 2007 the rate was 59.12. In 2008 the rate was 57.45. In 2009 it rose up slightly and became 59.02. In 2010 the rate became 52.54. In 2011 the rate was 50.73, and at last in 2012 the rate was only 48.99. Let's see how we shall answer the question. There are some keywords which is necessary to write the description of a graph chart. Drop down, that is পড়ে যাওয়া, rise up উঠা, বেড়ে ওঠা, increase ক্রমাগত বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, decrease ক্রমাগত হ্রাস পাওয়া, suddenly হঠাৎ, slowly ধীরে ধীরে, slightly অল্প পরিমাণে, highest সর্বোচ্চ, lowest সর্বনিম্ন. These words are very necessary to describe graph charts. Let's see how we shall write the answer from the chart. In this chart I have highlighted the first column, that is in 2005 the infant mortality rate was 62.6. Let's see how we shall write the answer. The graph shows us infant mortality rate from 2005 to 2012. From the chart we see gradual decrease in infant mortality rate except in 2009. We see that in 2005 the infant mortality rate was 62.6, and then we shall describe the mortality rate of 2006 and 2007 and write in this way. In 2006 the rate fell down and became 60.83. In 2007 it became 59.12. In 2008 the graph also shows decrease in infant mortality rate. It became 57.45 in the year. In 2008 the graph also shows decrease in infant mortality rate. It became 57.45 in the year. Now we are describing the exceptional year 2009. There is a bad sign in 2009. In this year, infant mortality rate rose up again and became 59.02. It is a very horrifying for our country. From the chart we see both sides in 2008 and in 2010 the rates were lower than 2009, so it is an exceptional year. We have described it exceptionally, and last we are going to describe the years 2010, 2011 and 2012, and we shall write in this way. But the rate began to fall down again in 2010. In this year it became 52.54. In 2011 and 2012 the rates were 50.73 and 48.99 respectively. We see the highest rate of infant mortality was 62.6 in 2005, and the lowest rate of infant mortality was in 2012. It's a good sign for a country. We all should come forward to minimize infant mortality rate in Bangladesh. And the writing is in a full paragraph you see here, and you can write down it and uh, try to describe other graph charts. And if you try, I think you will be able to write down the descriptions, and it will not be very difficult for you if you understand the charts. And uh, there are only a few words you have to memorize to use them in describing graph charts. So dear students, thank you everybody. Stay home, stay safe.